In this ProfitTweet review, I'm going to be reviewing a software that claims to be an email killer. It's a Twitter autoresponder. It says it lets you email, tweet, and blast any link to millions of people. I'm going to be telling you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ProfitTweet for yourself, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here included if you do purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says send unlimited messages straight to the phones, tablets, and computers of millions for a low one-time price. Brand new Twitter autoresponder lets you email, tweet, and blast any link to millions of people in seconds. Say goodbye to inconsistent email marketing platforms, list building, and traffic software. So essentially, what this allows you to do is it handles your Twitter marketing. But I don't want you to think like you can't just upload the whole Twitter marketplace, like everyone on Twitter, and start blasting them out messages. No, you can tweet out using the software to people that are following you on Twitter. It will manage everything for you inside of a dashboard, so you can do that. But I don't want you to think you can like automatically get tons and tons of people on your Twitter list just because you have a software like this. But it does allow you to manage your Twitter software. And you don't need to, of course, it says you don't need any SMTPs or anything because it's included. That's right. It does include a commercial license, so you can manage other people's Twitter accounts for them. They say it includes done for you affiliate offers to promote, so you have something to make money with on a Twitter account. So if you want to monetize Twitter, you can do it that way. They say step 1, log into their cloud-based software. Step 2, it says let the app find red hot Twitter leads for you. So essentially, you can go out there and start like following people and trying to build up your Twitter following. And then it says relax as it blasts out any message. You can schedule your messages out with this. You can do affiliate marketing if you want to. You can do any kind of marketing and as done for you messages and stuff like that. But they show some income proof here, but this isn't all from using ProfitTweet. This is just their sales dashboard on Warrior Plus. So don't think that just because you have a software like this, you're going to start making money. Now, they say these are verified users here. Now, these people, I know this guy's real. I've seen him before. So it's a potential that these are actually real people here. And sometimes, unfortunately, these sales pages don't have real people, but these look like real people. They talk about the power of Twitter on here, and I think we already know that Twitter is a powerful marketplace. There's lots of opportunity, lots of customers on there to reach and to get potential traffic from. So, I mean, that's the idea here, is that you're able to reach these people using the software. It says a cloud-based Twitter messaging software with a 98% open rate. So people check their Twitter stuff and instantly import message in unlimited contacts. Now, as far as unlimited contacts, you can import your Twitter account to it. So you can contact the people that you're engaging with on Twitter already. Built-in lead generation, pre-configured SMTP, your dedicated chatbot, so it's a chatbot function. You can schedule or blast messages out to people with this, done for you products and messages, commercial license, so you can provide this as a service. And then they've got extra training and stuff involved with this as well. So these testimonials are from affiliate marketers. So they want to sell it to you essentially. So these people, they say that they like it, but I don't know. When I see these testimonials, it could be that they really love the software, or it could be they're just trying to sell it to you. So you have to take a look at this. Of course, I'm an affiliate marketer as well, but I want you to take a look at this and I want you to decide if this is right for you. If it's right for you, get it. If not, that's fine. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to buy anything. As well. Okay, so if we look down here, what you're going to get, they've got a bunch of stuff listed here that you're going to get some frequently asked questions, blah, blah, blah. Here's what I do want you to do though. I want you to make sure you move your mouse away on the sales page and a discount code will pop up. I make less as an affiliate by showing you these discounts, so please hit that like button. It really helps out with my channel. Okay, what I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area and the OTOs and discounts.
Using ProfitTweet is as easy as logging in with your Twitter account, which we've already done, and then just selecting what you want to post. And we'll just go with a text post. We'll keep it simple. We'll select the account on the left side here and we'll type something like welcome to ProfitTweet. We can also schedule it or set it to appear to users only on a certain location, but we're just going to send it right now. Done. And if we now go to our Twitter profile, you can now see right here, welcome to ProfitTweet. Just posted along with another one of my tests. You can post photos, videos, links, anything you want directly from this dashboard. What's more, you can see your own activity. You can see everything about your account right here, and then you can modify and activate your Twitter bot from right here. And this is the main feature of ProfitTweet, this bot, which you can use to reply to people, to retweet messages, to follow, unfollow, to automatically send people welcome messages when they follow your account. You can change the targeting if you want to change different tags or keywords, or if you want to focus on a certain type of followers. You can change the speed, how many times you want the bot to activate, how many times you want him to retweet, to follow. You can have the bot follow different filters. You can say exactly what you want to reply to users. You can follow different tags. You can follow different keywords. You can even search for usernames. If I would search here for Elon Musk, we'd get his account right here. We'd be able to add it, to follow it, and to put it in this auto responder. We can also blacklist. If you don't want users to see you or to follow you, you can blacklist them here. You can also blacklist, different tags if you want the bot to completely ignore them. What's more, you have your own Twitter inbox right here. This means ProfitTweet gives you complete access over your Twitter account directly from this dashboard, so you don't need to open Twitter ever again. You then have different analytics right here done directly by ProfitTweet, so you can see how your account is doing. You can see different trends and you can select them by location. So if we go for worldwide, we'll see different trends that are raging right now. You can see your schedules. If you have everything placed in different days, you can see them right here, so you can have complete control over your own campaigns. You can manage all of your Twitter accounts right here, so you can be a fully fledged social media manager. You have your own dedicated file manager right here, in which you can upload images, videos, and you can have all of them in one simple place. And you can even add watermarks to your own images, so they can't be replicated at any point. ProfitTweet is an all-in-one solution for never opening your Twitter again and having it on autopilot. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the back-end dashboard that you'll have access to after you purchase. Now there are multiple upgrades. The first one here says lock in SMS text messaging, image and video sending, and Twitter groups with the Pro version. Now what I want you to do with this is, if you're interested in getting this and all the extra features, what you're going to want to do is go down and you're going to want to click no thanks. And what that will do is bring up a downsell version of this. It will give you a discounted price on the same software. So you might as well get the lowest price. Hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. The next one they're going to show you, it says get 10 times more results with the enterprise version. It's got done for you plus some extra stuff here. I don't know, some extra features. Own ProfitTweet, copy, paste campaigns, message on more than just one on Twitter and email, cloud-based storage, all these extra features. But again, what I want you to do is make sure you hit on that no thanks button, and that's going to open up a downsell again for you so you can get it at a lower price. Make sure you do that. Next one, they say they've got some extra income streams. Hit the no thanks button, get the discount. Next one, you get the resell license so you can sell ProfitTweet like it's your own software and keep all the money. Again, hit the no thanks, get a discount. Next one here, let us give you all of our best-selling present and future products, so you can get a bunch of their products for a one-time price. Again, hit that no thanks button. And the last one here, it says brand new. Oh, sorry, this is the JV page for it. Anyways, that's all of them. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose which ones you want, and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ProfitTweet and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, the marketing is, of course, as always, we're so used to it by now, just not quite truthful in the fact that they show income proof, but it's not necessarily from the software. I'd rather see someone say, okay, we use the software, we made $100 with it. That's what I'd rather see, but we don't see that kind of income proof. So don't buy this based upon the income proof. If you're going to buy it based upon what it does and not on that income proof. What do I like about this? If you're looking for a way of managing your Twitter account or selling management services as a service, you can use the software to do that and not have to worry about paying monthly fees. If that's something that you're looking for, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ProfitTweet, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Can I say notification? As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.